Si Welhon Mindoro, na kilala rin sa palayaw na Triggerman, ay isang umuusbong na bituin sa mundo ng boxing mula sa Pilipinas. Ipinanganak noong Enero 26, 2000 sa Dumingag, Zamboanga del Sur at kasalukuyan siyang nakatira sa Bacoor, Cavite. Siya ay nasa ilalim ng MP Promotions at sinasanay sa Knuckleheads Boxing Gym. Maagang karera at paglipat sa professional na boxing. Amateur career. Nagsimula si Mindoro sa amateur boxing at lumahok sa palarong pambansa. Bagamat hindi siya nagwagi ng ginto sa torneong ito, quarterfinals noong 2012 at finals noong 2014, nagbigay ito sa kanya ng mahalagang karanasan. Naging professional si Mindoro noong 2019. Sa kanyang unang taon, lumaban siya sa welterweight at light middleweight divisions bago tuluyang lumipat sa middleweight division noong 2022. Pagsikat, kilala si Mindoro sa kanyang malakas na kamao at mabilis na atake na nagbigay sa kanya ng palayaw na Triggerman. Ang kanyang estilo ng pakikipaglaban ay puno ng agresyon at tumpak na suntok na madalas na nagtatapos sa knockout. Impresibong record. Bago ang kanyang laban kamakailan, nagkaroon siya ng kahangahangang record na 10 panalo, lahat ay sa pamamagitan ng knockout at walang talo. Ipinagpapatuloy niya ang kanyang undefeated streak sa pamamagitan ng patuloy na pagwawagi laban sa mahuhusay na kalaban. Tanging draw, ang tanging di panalo sa kanyang record ay isang draw laban kay Takeshi Inoue ng Japan para sa WBO Asia Pacific Light Middleweight title. Ito ay nagpapakita na kahit sa titinding laban, nananatili siyang matatag at mahirap talunin.
Because that will all come together, including the uppercut like he did earlier when he hurt Inoue.
There is that part of the fight, Nonito and Rachel, where you have to be patient. You know you can handle him, but you want to be patient as well. You don't want to be too gung-ho going in.
And when they get into that hit zone, we just want to hit. We just want to throw those punches and set up.
Oh,
Here goes that uppercut again.
here we go.
15 seconds left. Can he put him away?
And he's throwing it wisely at that. Suddenly this alarm clock usually tells boxers, let's go for it.
Inoue is pretty strong to take these shots from Mindoro,
Oh,
and
that's a good point.
and with 2 losses on his record, the way that he lost was by decisions only. So he has not been knocked out yet.
In that exchange, Mindoro actually got hit. And that's where Inoue wants to be, is in that.
Pagtamo ng IBA Asian Belt, noong December 6, 2024, nagwagi si Mindoro ng IBA Asian 65 kg belt sa pamamagitan ng 4th round TKO laban sa veteranong Australian boxer na si Joel Camilleri sa Dubai, United Arab Emirates.
Physical contest, left-right combination not too far away from Mindoro, but Camilleri tucking up behind his shoulder to ward off the incoming fire, and again it's a disruptive lead left that he's continuing to work behind.
Ipinakita niya ang kanyang lakas at husay laban sa isang batika na kalaban.
And right to left which followed, may have glanced the nose of Mindoro after the right hand was inaccurate. Clocking up the miles on his fistic pedometer as he glides around the perimeter of the ring. Camilleri boxing as for Mindoro bulldozed his man back to the ropes and lands with a right cross. Clever boxing out of the corner from Camilleri, who remained responsible. But now he's beginning to be teed off upon by Mindoro. Is this to stop Camilleri? Oh, that's a beautiful right hand on the resumption, but now Mindoro has got his man going and he's seeking to demonstrate that he is a precise and merciless finisher once again. It's an awful long time to negotiate. Beautiful left hook, but then a right-handed response from Camilleri. But Mindoro really is finding that gives him some brief respite. The referee wipes the gloves clean and he walks onto a shot, which was an uppercut, which sends Camilleri to the canvas to take the second count of the round. There's still a minute and a half to go in round number 4, and against a finisher like Mindoro, that could well be a long 90 seconds. Camilleri on the ropes above our commentary position, bobbing and weaving, trying to hold up. He's taking a right.
Patuloy na pagwawagi sa US, kamakailan lang naging aktibo rin si Mindoro sa Estados Unidos. Nobyembre 9, 2024, tinalo niya si Lucas de Abreu sa pamamagitan ng KO sa round 3. Hulyo 10, 2024, Ginulpi niya si Tyler Goodjohn sa pamamagitan ng KO sa round 2.
Probably the best plan of case of attack from Mindoro. You guys talk about an old
Good shot from Mindoro. Down goes Goodjohn. Popping up a little too early.
Goodjohn has it. He probably should hold it.
Such a thing as being too tough for your own good. Goodjohn getting into a firefight. Doesn't have his like second knockdown of
He holds.
Not the holding time.
Punching between. Not the heart of Goodjohn.
Hunyo 7, 2025. Ang pinakabagong tagumpay ni Mindoro ay ang kanyang first round knockout victory laban sa Mexican fighter na si Omar Munguia sa Boeing Center at Techport, San Antonio, Texas. Parehong undefeated ang dalawang boksingero bago ang laban na ito. Ipinakita ni Mindoro ang kanyang mapanira na lakas sa pamamagitan ng isang matinding right uppercut na nagpabagsak kay Munguia na hindi na nakabangon pa. Sa kasalukuyan, mula Hunyo 21, 2025, may malinis na record si Welhon Mindoro na 14 panalo, 0 talo at 1 draw kung saan lahat ng kanyang panalo ay sa pamamagitan ng knockout. Ang kanyang perpektong 100% knockout ratio ay nagpapatunay sa kanyang nakakatakot na kapangyarihan sa suntukan. Ang eksperto at tagahanga ay umaasa na si Welhon Mindoro ay patuloy na aangat sa ranggo ng middleweight division. Sa kanyang angking galing, bilis at knockout power, malaki ang posibilidad na siya ay maging isa sa elite contenders at maging world champion sa hinaharap kasama ng pangalan tulad ni Virgil Ortiz, Errol Spence at Terence Crawford. Patuloy siyang nagtatatag ng isang pang world-class na reputasyon at ang bawat laban niya ay nagiging stepping stone tungo sa pagiging isang tunay na kampeon. Malaki ang potensyal ni Welhon Mindoro na maging world champion lalo na sa kanyang impressive record na puro knockouts. Narito ay dapat niyang pagtuunan ng pansin. Patuloy na magpataas ng antas ng kalaban. Labanan ng mas matitinding kalaban. Mahalaga na unti-unti siyang lumaban sa boksingero na mas mataas ang ranggo at mas may karanasan. Ito ang magiging testamento sa kanyang kakayahan at magpapataas ng kanyang standing sa boxing world. Kailangan din niyang pangalagaan ang kanyang katawan panatili ang kanyang performance sa mahabang panahon. Sa kasalukuyang takbo ng kanyang karera, kasama ang kanyang knockout power, malaking posibilidad na makamit ni Welhon Mindoro ang kanyang pangarap na maging world champion sa boxing. Kailangan lang ang patuloy na dedikasyon, matalinong desisyon at suporta mula sa kanyang team.